In this video I'm going to show you how you can easily make professional account from your personal account on Instagram. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes, and of course do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks guys. So let's get started, and first off, open up Instagram app and then go to your profile. Then tap at menu and select settings and privacy. Then scroll down until you find account type and tools. Then tap at switch to professional account, and then you will be able to create your professional account. Just select some category from suggested, then enable or disable display on profile and tap at done. Then choose creator or business and tap at next. That's it. Now you can write down in the comments below if you have any questions about the tutorial. Hit the like button if you like that video, and see you in the next one.